Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to play videos in VLC Media Player step by step. Whether you're watching a movie, a recorded video, or any other media file, VLC makes the process quick and simple. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll see the main player window. To open a video, click the Media menu in the top left corner, then select Open File. Browse to the folder where your video is saved, choose the file, and click Open. Your video should begin playing automatically. You can also play a video by simply dragging and dropping the file directly into the VLC window. Yeah, this is often the fastest method if you already know where the video is stored on your computer. While the video is playing, use the controls at the bottom of the screen to pause, play, skip forward or backward, adjust the volume, or move to a different part of the video using the progress bar. If you'd like a larger view, click the full screen button or double-click anywhere on the video. If your video includes subtitles, you can load them through the subtitle menu. VLC also lets you change playback speed, audio tracks, and video settings to improve your viewing experience. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to play videos in VLC Media Player using a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.